My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be another edition of before bed Boxycharm box unboxing in Barbie pajamas. I was trying to use as many beads as I could, you know, alliteration and all. But yeah, I just got done working. Ooh, I had a hell of a night. I am exhausted. So this is going to be a very quick unboxing, but I'm super excited to see what I got in my August Boxycharm. And this is the base box. So let's get into it. Alright, the first product, oh, I'm really excited that I got this. I wanted to try this out. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refining Cleanser. A non-drying, pore refining cleanser that removes makeup, residue, and dead skin while helping to banish sebum and decongest pores. So this retails for $36. Oh, but it says oily / combination skin. I don't have either of those. I still want to try it. So I'm really excited about that. Alright, the next item is this Tracique Summer Glow and Go set. So I kind of watched a Boxycharm like sneak peek, but I wasn't really paying attention when I was watching it, but I do remember seeing this, and when I saw it, I thought it was just a set of all like pencil eyeshadows, but now that I'm looking at it, it has a highlight, a blush stick, a brow pencil, and an eyeshadow crayon. So this retails for $42. Oops. So the highlighting stick is in Maldives Luminescent. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. And then the cheek set is Moroccan Rose. Ooh, that's a really pretty color as well. I think that will go with a lot of different skin tones. And I've been really into cream blushes recently. I'm just going to be washing it off and going to bed anyways. Okay, so next we have, this is the shadow stick in Tahitian Shimmer. It looks kind of like a bronze. Ooh, it is. That's really pretty. Kind of like an antique bronze. And then the brow stick. I'm really interested to see this in Americano. Oh, you know what? I have tried this before. I got a sample of it. It's like almost the exact same size, but I really do like this brow product. It has kind of the same shape as like the Anastasia brow definer, that, you know, that slanted pencil. Ooh, yeah, this is a really good eyebrow pencil. I'm excited to try all those. Alright, next is, I got all sorts of little sets in here. This Tracique, a matte for every mood. Every shade of the mini matte lip crayons to match every one of your moods. Ultra soft matte lip crayons, blah blah blah. Okay, retails $58. Damn! Okay, but you do get 6 of them. They're minis. Okay, Tracique. Tracique products have been like hit or miss for me. I don't know if I would personally spend $58 of my own money on a mini set like this, but I am really, ooh, what a pretty nude. Yeah, I got distracted real easily there, didn't I? That was Nantucket Nude. Then we have Florence Fig. That looks a lot darker than in the picture. Okay, that's kind of like a mauve. And then we have Barcelona Bright Berry. Oh yeah, this is definitely gonna be my vibe. Oh yeah, it even matches my pajamas. Let's do it. I like. Then we have Chili Red. That's a really pretty red. It's not too warm toned and it's not too cool toned either. Then we have Belize Bordeaux. So this is like a plum. Ooh, that's really pretty actually. And then we have Tuscan Wine. Oh, so are there like two reds? This is like a deep red. Okay. This Minoton Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with our triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Okay, so this retails for $45. It is 2 ounces. I've never heard of this brand before, but I am down to try that. And the last product I'm not too excited about is this Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later Eye Primer. This retails for $20. I actually got a sample of this in an Ipsy like back in the day, a long time ago. I don't remember if I liked it or not, so I mean, I guess I'll give it a try. So let's see what the total retail value of the box is. And if you are interested, my box version is $64. Oh, couldn't have been $69. I mean, that would have been perfect. Wow, so the total retail value is $200.95. That is not bad at all for a base box. I am actually really happy with this box. I mean, I got like 2 sets and that Dr. Brandt cleaner. I'm really happy with this box. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, and let me know if you've gotten your Boxycharm yet, and if you have, what you've gotten in it. I still have my Boxycharm Premium and another Boxycharm base box coming, but they were like, all it says is the shipping label was created, so it's gonna be a minute before those come. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm gonna go take this makeup off and get some sleep. I love you guys. Bye.